So today I am going to be skipping the intro to bring you a very quick Kadence tip. Now this is a tip that is going to help you create your pages a whole lot faster and help you navigate around those and find the exact block that you want to find and edit. So I'm on my own website here, and this is something I haven't implemented. So I'm going to go ahead and implement this on my home page. So we're going to go to pages here on the left-hand side, and I'm going to click on all pages. I'm then going to find my home page, which is the one that we're going to be editing, and I'm going to click on edit. Now, once this comes up, you'll see these three lines at the top. This is the document overview, and when I click on it, you'll see that your page is now built of several different rows, and those rows make up your page. Now, it's hard for me to know exactly what content is in which row. I can have a stab in the dark and think, okay, I want to make changes to the e-commerce row that gives away my free PDF. So I can think, well, maybe it is in this row, and I can click on that. Oh no, it's not. It's actually in the one above. And so it's going to take me longer to find the exact content that I do want to edit. Now with Kadence, there's a handy trick. You can click on this first row here, and to the right-hand side, you'll see this options for row layout. We can then click on these three dots. We can go to rename. This is going to bring up a pop-up where we can enter a custom name for the block. So we're going to name it something that we can easily identify and find. So I'm going to call this Hero Opening Section. And this is a really great thing if you are building websites for someone else or for a client, because then the client will be able to come along and easily find the section that they want to amend. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to rename all my rows on my homepage. Okay, so there we go. You can see now on the left-hand side, I have renamed all my rows, and now it's easy for me to go ahead and find the exact thing that I would like to edit. So for example, I'd like to edit my free website planning guide, which by the way is super awesome. And if you haven't already downloaded it, I want to encourage you to head on over to my homepage or the link below to grab a copy of that, and it's totally free. So we can click on this. Once we click on it, it automatically jumps to this row section. And now I can go ahead and I can either edit it here on the right hand side, or another tip is clicking on the arrow here, which brings up the two sections, click on the arrow again, and then I can find the image advanced. Now, if you want to go into more detail, you can actually click on the section, click on the three dots and rename that section, and do the same for this section as well. So it just depends how much you want to rename so that you can easily find the content that you want to amend. Now, once you have changed the names of your rows, be sure to come to the top right here and click update. Once you click update, then those row names will be saved. If you navigate away, then those row names won't be saved. So be sure to update it. Now, I hope you liked this quick Kadence tip. And if you do want more like this, then drop the word more in the comments below.